So hello friends, welcome back in my new video. So guys, today our topic is iPhone 12 pre-orders, how to prepare. Apple iPhone 12 mini and 12 Pro Max pre-orders begin on Friday, November 6, but you can get ready and save time with the pre-order option in the Apple Store app. Here's how to make sure you are a phone in hand on release day. Over the years, standing in line for an iPhone in front of your local app store on launch day has shifted to frantically refreshing the Apple online store checkout page to pre-order an iPhone from the comfort of your home. If you consider the strain that COVID-19 has put on product availability as well as our ability to even pick up an iPhone on launch day could be more difficult than ever. So this year every shortcut counts when rushing to get your iPhone 12 pre-order confirmed by Apple. Apple has recognized the increased need to pre-order an iPhone 12 online with a tool that will let you prepare your order ahead of time, though there are some limits. Read on for details. When can I pre-order an iPhone? Apple is staggering its release of the different iPhone 12 models this year. The iPhone 12 and 12 Pro pre-order started on Friday, October 16. The iPhone 12 mini and 12 Pro Max pre-orders began for November 6 at 8 a.m. If you are unsure which iPhone model is right for you, we broke down the differences and here's what photography enthusiasts should consider. iPhone 12 release day. The iPhone 12 and 12 Pro arrived on Friday, October 23 in Australia, China, Germany, Japan, and UK and the US. They launched in India, South Korea, and more than a dozen other countries on Friday, October 30. The iPhone 12 Pro Max and 12 mini are in stores beginning Friday, November 13. Pre-order your iPhone. Like it did with the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro, Apple will let you go through a pre-order phase for iPhone 12 mini and 12 Pro Max that lets you prep everything ahead of time, so all you need to do is hit purchase once pre-order time rolls around. The option should be available until 9 p.m. midnight ET tonight. Open the App Store app on your current iPhone or iPad and sign into your account. In the featured option of the app, tap the Get Ready for iPhone Pre-Order Now header. You are instructed to go through the typical process of selecting your iPhone 12 model, color, finish, carrier or unlocked capacity, and whether you have a device to trade in. In order to save your prepared pre-order, you must let Apple Card monthly installments and go through the process of agreeing to a monthly installment payment plan. Then confirming your current Apple Card. If you don't have an Apple Card, you will be required to go through the process of applying for an Apple Card monthly installment plan. When ordering an iPhone 12, I could not get the process to complete by selecting the one-time payment option. Even though I would prefer to pay in full at a later date, I could not find a way to select that as an option upfront. My speculation is you will have the option to pay in full once your order is complete and you receive your iPhone 12. If you are willing to go the Apple Card installment plan route to set up your pre-order OPT in out of Apple Care and select Get Ready for Pre-Order and add your selection to your account. The next page will give you a breakdown of the steps you have already taken to choose your device and the remaining steps to complete your pre-order. Selecting Continue on this page only confirms your device selection and your method of payment. You still have to be ready on the actual pre-order day time to complete your order and confirm a shipping date. So be sure to set those alarms and get your iPhone 12 pre-order triggers fingered ready. Now that you have confirmed your pre-order, view your information in the For You section of the Apple Store app. So I hope guys you enjoy this video. So guys, see you in next video. Take care and goodbye.